I use this product to fill in my eyebrows. I'm starting with this Colorbar primer and applying it on my pore area and also on the center of my face. And then I'm using this color corrector. It's an orange color corrector, and applying that on the sides of the mouth, on the under eyes, and I'm blending that using my finger. Before going on to the foundation, I used this concealer from Derma palette and applied it on the spots, and then I went ahead with the foundation. Here I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid and applying that in the dabbing motion. Shade names and everything is listed in the description box. I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer to conceal my dark circles which I have on the under eyes. I'm using this brush to blend it out. And for highlighting, I'm using this LA Girl concealer and applying that on the under of my eyes and also on the bridge of my nose, chin, and also on the forehead area. This will sort of give that dimensional effect. So I'm just applying it and I'm going to blend that using the brush. Okay, now to set my under eyes and also on the highlighted place, I'm using this Cover FX translucent powder with the sponge and applying it. I'm not baking here. I applied it first and I just waited and then I pushed the product in instead of dusting it off. So this sort of settles everything in a perfect way and it blends really nice. To set my rest of my face, I'm using this MAC Studio Fix powder and applying that using a powder brush. For nose contouring, I'm using this Loreal powder and applying that in a fluffy blending brush to contour my nose. And to bronze up my face, I'm using this two bronzers from Beige palette, applying that on my outer perimeter of my face. I wanted to keep my look really matte. I'll add a little bit of shine at the end. To bring the color to my cheeks, I use these two shades to apply it on the apples. Now let's do the eye makeup. Now I'm just using this reddish brown eyeshadow in a blending brush and I'm just giving warmth to my crease. And I'm using this pale eyeshadow to apply that as my brow bone highlighter. And then I'm taking a deep brown eyeshadow from the same palette and applying that on the crease area. And then I'm going to remove my harsh edges using another blending brush. To just give another dimension to my crease area, I'm using this purple eyeshadow on again with the same blending brush and applying it on the crease. Now I'm going to cut my crease using this concealer. I'm just going to apply that to half of my eyelid area. It's going to be like a semi-cut crease. And then I'm just taking this yellow eyeshadow, applying that on the inner part of my eyelid. To apply it on the center lid, I'm using this bronzy golden shade, applying that only on the center eyelid. And for the outer corner, again I'm using this purple eyeshadow to apply it on the outer corner. And to remove the harsh edge, again I'm using a clean blending brush. And I'm just taking this green eyeshadow, applying that between the outer corner color and also between the brown shades, just like sandwiching those previous colors. Now I'm applying a very thick layer of eyeliner. And off camera, I did my mascara, false lashes, everything. Now I'm just going to apply this glittery pigment. Now I'm using this kohl pencil to line my waterline and also on a little bit on the lower lash line, and then I'm using an angular brush to just sort of blend that. And then I'm taking this reddish brown eyeshadow that I used on the crease. I'm applying that to give the smoky effect on the lower lash line, and to give a pop of color to my lower lash line, I'm using this pigment called Jade and applying that onto the outer third of my lower lash line. It just transformed the look into another level. Now I'm using this highlight to apply it on my cheekbone area and also on the center of my face. Now for the lips, I'm lining my lips using this lip liner and filling it in. And for the lipstick, I use this E.l.f matte lipstick. Shade is in the description box. Oh my god, I won't believe this is such an amazing matte lipstick, and it's just for 100 bucks and it lasted for a very long time. I really like this color. And to set the makeup, I'm using this Wet n Wild setting spray to lock my makeup in. Now I'm wearing my jhumkas and also my bangles. Details I try to put it in the description box. With that, I finished this look. I hope you all found it to be useful and helpful. If you really enjoyed that, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram. I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.